if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation and dark spots on your face. Today in this video, I am going to share one amazing face cleanser with potato that will help you get rid of those dark patches on your skin. Potato is packed with vitamin C, B1, B3, and B6, and various minerals like magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. It can help you to achieve ideal skin that you always wished for. Potato Face Cleanser for oily skin. If you have oily skin, you can mix potato juice with lemon juice. In a bowl, mix 2 teaspoons of potato juice and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. In this add half a teaspoon honey, mix it well, and your cleanser is ready. Apply this cleanser on your face, leave for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.